Got it, full of blues again.
Slow. Look at the size of this one.
However, my offer stands at 50.
They are placed gently on the sorting.
Up on the crane.
Lower it down easy. Watch the ice on the crates.
Hold it steady, easy now.
Careful with that.
Thanks, I got it from here.
Good haul this time.
Roger that, Captain. Approaching the Blue Lobster grounds.
Over.
Check the forward strap, it's loose.
I see it. Hold tight.
All right, listen up. We're dropping the blue traps in the quadrant just east of the shelf. The current is strong, so mind the lines. Let's move quickly before the ice thickens. Bait secure. Get the door latched.
Got it, ready to slide.
All right, steadying her up now. Get ready to launch the first string. Clear the rail. Push it hard. Rope's clear. Send the buoy. He's clear. Bring it back. Next one ready to hook up. That's the last one. Finally. Good job. All right, watch the rail. Got it, Cap. Watch the swing. Steady, bring it down slow. All right, we got it. Look at the size of those blues. Look at that, blues. We hit the jackpot, boys. Watch the line, she's heavy.
Got it, full of blues again.
Get that secured now. Another big haul coming up. Watch the waves. Watch the line, bring it down slow. More ice over here. Easy, bring it down slow.
Watch the line there. Watch the line there.
Oh man, look at that blue. Ah, that's the biggest one I've ever seen.
Look at the size of that. Oh, wow, that is magnificent. What a beauty.
Hold the line, watch the wave.
Pull, pull, we almost got it. Wait for it. Okay, pull now, heave. Got it, bring it in.
Look at the size of this one. Woo! That's a beauty. Best trip yet.
That's tight enough. We're good here, Captain. Double check the forward stack before we move out.
You should have seen the look on his face when the wave hit. We nearly lost him.
That reminds me of the time we were docking in Singapore.
Harbor Master, this is the fishing vessel Bluefin arriving from sea.
I was so worried. I'm glad you're safe.
I missed you.
It's good to be home. Fill those last two up completely. The trawler is almost secured.
Okay, I'm bringing the forklift around now.
Looks like we have a successful catch here. The quality is superb.
Yes, that's what I like to see.
They are magnificent specimens. However, my offer stands at 50 below your asking price.
Given the consistency, I believe we can meet halfway.
Here are the bills of lading, and everything is sealed.
All right, thanks. I'll get this secured and head out.
Okay, lower it right here.
We're showing a temp spike on crate 3. Move it inside now.
Make sure they are placed gently on the sorting table. We need to maintain the cold chain.
Careful with that claw, the band just came off.
Got it. Shell quality is excellent on this one.
The key is the fluid motion when cracking the tail, removing the meat in a single perfect piece, followed by the careful extraction of the claw.
The pH level at 6.8.
All right, team, keep the pace up. We've got destinations worldwide waiting.